Hello fans, at the last video of Gregory Talkies. I know you all are excited today, but this is the last video. And you know how we got kicked off from my new dog Wally? Oh yeah, this is Wally. And you remember Ruthie, Miss Davis's dog. So, this is the British Cup between Ruthie and Wally. Well, actually, the British Cup is this chew toy right here. This chew toy, but it's a British Cup to them. So, like I was saying, so since we're in British right now, I have to talk British. So, will we begin? Oh, here we go. Outside. There's Howie. Howie's just a fan today. Okay, here comes Howie. Say hi to all your fans. Oh, and here comes the contestants. Oh, Ruthie goes left. So does Wally. Wally goes straight. He picks on him. Oh, Ruthie's picking up a toy. Oh no, Wally wants that toy. Wally's going to find another. He's going back. He's attempting to steal it. Oh, but wait. He's not fighting. Wally really wants it. He has to pick a perfect time to go and strike for it. And they're all good. And look at the Ruthie. Look at the teeth. Oh, and this is my new dog, like you said. So, come on doggies, come on. And the Ruthie's just sitting there. I'm gonna get them started. Nope, that didn't work. What about this? Oh, that worked. Oh, now Wally has it. Ooh. Now Ruthie's gonna get it. They're tugging war. Now Wally. Now Ruthie. Ruthie goes left. Wally goes left. Ruthie stops. Now Howie's joining in. This is total chaos. And now Ruthie. Wally's just standing there. Ruthie's just standing there. Howie's sniffing Ruthie's butt. And Ruthie's there. Here they come. Why is he walking away? Doesn't he really want the toy? Oh, Ruthie just bit her in the butt. Oh, Ruthie's running. Wally's running. This is a close game as we go into the 5th inning. Okay, like I was saying. Okay, since Wally isn't really contesting and Ruthie isn't really playing, Ruthie wins. She wins the British Open. The British Open is the best opening ever. But wait! Look at that. No, they're just licking each other's butts. Never mind that. Anywho, like I was saying, Ruthie wins. So Ruthie gets the British Open toy. Hi, my name's Toy. Oh, the British Cup. Okay. And it squeaks. Whoa, Wally wants it. Ruthie has the toy. But wait! Ruthie's shouting the toy. And then, Howie come. Howie's coming over too. They're all shouting. Look at that. And I'll join you next year and see who wins that round on Gregory's Talkies.